Ready?
Yep.
All right. Combination chip. So we've got a bullseye and a star in this one. Put the mirror on so you can see it better. Okay. Yep. Let's lay some of this stuff down here. Wiper. There to protect the door sill. And clear off some of the debris. Okay, it's a big one, that one. All right. Just place the repair bridge directly over the chip. There's this little guide. Repair resin, because there's a few nasty ones in there that I want to sort of...
Medium viscosity.
Yeah, that's slightly thicker than the real thin one. Just a few drops in there. Okay. Twist on our pressure cycle for at least 2.5 to 3 minutes. Okay. Right. Now I've sort of gone as far as we can with that one. I'm going to do a vacuum cycle. Back it off a bit. It creates a vacuum for the resin to flow back into the tool. I'll just give that about 30 seconds and put it in another pressure cycle. Alright, our second pressure cycle. Squeeze it down. You can sort of feel it and see the O-ring expand there. Okay, this is about as far as I want to push it. And that's it for another 2.5 to 3 minutes. The pressure cycle's done. This is just about it. Back it off. Release the lever. Okay. And now we'll get some fill on top of that. Let's just sort of drop that pit fill right on top and clear sheet. Put the curing light, 35 seconds. Yep. Okay, switch off the curing lamp, put it away. Protective film. With the fresh razor, scrape off the excess pit fill. There's a fair amount on there. polish the surface. Where the entry of the chip is there. That's a combination repair.